Well, this morning we're learning about some new developments in the Delphi murders case. Suspect Richard Allen will now be moving out of a state prison.
And that's one of the decisions that came after that 3 days of hearings about key issues ahead of the trial. Allen is accused of killing Libby German and Abby Williams in 2017. Lauren Kostick joins us with a look at those new details from court. Good morning.
Good morning, ladies. Those hearings wrapped up late last night after 12 hours of testimony and 11 different witnesses. Much of it very graphic, detailing the crime scene. The defense looked to prove two things. First, the girls were victims of a ritualistic killing. And second, there are alternative suspects. A defense expert basing that on where the girls were killed, how they were killed, and what she says were symbols left at the scene. However, a state expert said he believes markings on the tree came from one of the victims' hands. The defense also offered alternate suspects. All of them, according to the defense, practice a pagan religion tied to white supremacy. An ex-wife of one of them said he told her he knew who killed the girls and that, quote, if I talked about it, they would kill me. The prosecution argued that these alternate suspects could not be tied to Delphi or the crime scene. Yesterday, the judge also ruled that Allen can be transferred out of state prison into a county jail, but it's not clear when she will be able to rule on all these other motions. Now, there is a lot to unpack here. So at 5:30, we'll speak to our legal analyst about this, and we'll also talk about the impact this could have on that October trial, especially when it comes to what evidence the jury will be able to hear.
And that's the most important factor, I think. Thank you, Lauren.